Hi everyone, this is my third experiment in web technology. Well, this is about how the elements of CSS are aligned in such a way that we have a banner image and we have an image in front of, placed on top of another box which is transparent, like not very transparent but a little bit transparent, and it gives you this kind of a display. And there are three images below where we move the mouse over it, it hovers like this, and we have a text below, CST blocks, students and classroom. So in this program, how I did this program is like this. Over here, index.html, I've created in index.html I've create there's a HTML tag and then a head tag where I'm having Karnia University, which is kept here, which displays over here. And then in this part there's a link over here. It actually connects to the CSS, that is the style sheet, a cascading style sheet. And then over here ends the head tag. Now I'm starting the body tag, the body section, where I've given body background as M21, that is that is the image is stored here. The M21 is actually the starry image you see over here, which is throughout. And then I have created a division where this is white, that is the Karnia University is displayed in white color, and then the text tag, the heading tag. And then I'm having this part is actually the navigation division, navigation part, where when we hover over it, when we move the mouse over it, it hovers like this, and they're actually links. That's why the mouse turns like this. And then the link is over here, and this part, that's the Karnia University. I've given a mark cube behavior, which actually describes the scrolling of any sentence or any information, as for example new information which is given. And I've given scroll direction right, and I've given the link as that is href as karanya.edu.in karanya.edu. And then now it's a banner. There's section class equal to banner. I've created a style sheet where you have banner over here, and back here. And for the text, there is a main text over here. I given another division ID is equal to B, where I've given the text inside, and then here the section tag ends. And another section tag I've opened where I'm having the link and these three images, which actually is displayed like this. And then I've given different classes for the background image, so that each background image has different images, and the picture the name is different, the text is different. Now going back to the CSS page, going to the CSS page over here, this is how we initialize the style sheet, asterisks and open braces, and then I've given margin is equal to 0 pixels. For example, if I give 1 pixels, this creates a margin over here. You see here? Okay, to make it more clear, I'll give it as 3 pixels. Sorry, I'll give it as 7 pixels, where you can see, yes, you see the difference in that? Yes, it creates a margin over here, and it doesn't look that good. So I give it as 3 pixels itself in this way. Okay, again 1. I think I have to give 0. Okay, so 0 pixels. Okay, now going to the ID. The ID we mention it as hashtag, that is something as the usual. Yes, and under that I've given background color as this, that is a hexadecimal value for a color code, and then I've given a margin, padding and text shadow, that is for the heading. And then I've given navigation, that is the navigation list, that is the background color. I've given it as this navy blue, that is this code, and then padding I've given it as 10 pixels from all sides. And then there's another navigation link, that is it is actually I give it as an ordered list, unordered list, and in that I've given this style type as none, display inline block, so that it goes in a horizontal way, is displayed in a horizontal way, and I've given padding as left and right 100 pixels, so that it can be equally distributed, and padding bottom and top and bottom as 5 pixels, so that just a few little space is occupied, on little space is left out. And now I'm having another as a text declaration, that is none, that is for the anchor tag, that is I've given it as a link, right? So that's how it is. And then the color as light slate gray, that is this is the light slate gray, that this color. And then when I'm hovering over it, that color, that is that color. And then I've given a background as this for this thing. And then now coming to the banner image, the image source I've given it over here, which is M17, and then background size is cover, because I want the whole thing to be covered. And then over here height, I've given the height, repeat is no repeat, so it doesn't get repeated every time. And then padding left, right, bottom, right, top, I've mentioned the pixels. And then I'm having another B tag where it gives the the B tag is actually to give you the text, the text. This text is under B tag, and you have the RGBA, that is I've given this as box, where you actually have it gives like a transparency look. So padding left, padding, and I've given the padding bottom, right, top and everything. And then alignment justify, it moves according, because it has to fit according to the box. And then the color of the text is this. And now I've given the background image of the text as M4, that is this, M17. M17, and then the box 1 background image is M4, that is this one, its background image. That is now coming to the background image of these things. And now I've given the properties of for it, and opacity I've given it as 0.4. Now if I change this to 0.8, it doesn't become that opaque, so it doesn't actually become opaque. Now if I give 1, you can't even see the thing, so it's better to give 4 or 5. Maybe 5 is good, pretty good. 4 is good. Okay, so now now the next is box and then same just like that for everything. And then the title is for this thing to give, again you give the RGBA 0000 for actually giving that opaque look, the translucent look. And then I'm having the hover for each box size. For this is given separately. Now this is the output. Yep. Okay, thank you.